Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this iconic silver metallic 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 was very well maintained. It's a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely no accidents. This F-150 comes in the XLT trim with 300A equipment group with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. This F-150 also has a full sprayed bed liner with Bluetooth, auto start stop, cruise control, pre-collision assist with AEB, rear view camera, keyless entry, a pro trailer backup assist, trailer tow package, and a power driver seat. It also comes with a 12-volt plug for the front seats. You also have a huge back seat with the seats that can be lifted up for even more storage. There's only so much I can show you in this short video. Come on down to Maclin Ford. Thank you very much and have a good day.